Imagine waking up with that scratching sensation in your throat. You try to speak, but your voice is gone, replaced by a painful rasp. Your chest feels heavy, and a cough is starting to rattle your lungs. We have all been there, feeling helpless as a cold takes over our body. But what if the solution wasn't in a pharmacy aisle, but growing in nature, perhaps even in your own backyard? Today, I am going to show you how a specific plant, often overlooked, can be your most powerful ally against these exact problems. You might know it for its berries, but the real power for your lungs and throat lies elsewhere. I am talking about the elderberry, specifically its flowers and leaves. According to the guides on natural medicine we are using today, this plant, scientifically known as Sambucus nigra, is a powerhouse for respiratory health. You are going to discover how to use it to stop that cough, soothe your hoarseness, and fight off the flu effectively. You see, when you get sick, your body is fighting a battle. You feel feverish, your muscles ache, and you just want relief. The elderberry is not just a folktale, it has specific properties that interact with your body to help you win that battle. It acts as a diaphoretic. This means it stimulates perspiration. Why is this good for you? Because sweating is one of your body's natural ways to lower fever and eliminate toxins during a flu state. But it goes deeper than that. If you are struggling with a cough that just won't quit, or if your throat feels raw and sore, the elderberry flowers and leaves work as an antispasmodic. This means they help relax the muscles that are causing you to cough uncontrollably. It creates a calming effect on your entire system. Now let's get practical. How do you actually use this? You cannot just go out and eat the leaves raw. According to the Natural Medicine Guide, the most effective way to harness these benefits for your respiratory system is through an infusion. You need to be precise. You take 1 tablespoon of the vegetable material, that is, the dried flowers or leaves, and you add it to 1 liter of freshly boiled water. You let it sit. You let the water extract those medicinal compounds. The recommendation is to drink 1 cup of this infusion 3 times a day. It is simple, but consistency is key. By drinking this, you are delivering those anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties directly to your system. Let's talk about hoarseness and sore throats specifically. These are often signs of inflammation. The elderberry is known to be an anti-inflammatory agent. When you drink this warm infusion, you are soothing that inflamed tissue. It is also described as a balsamic agent, which means it helps soothe and heal the respiratory tract. If you are suffering from catarrh or bronchitis, this is exactly what your body is craving. There is another layer to this plant's power. It is not just about the symptoms, it is about your state of mind. Being sick makes you anxious and restless. Interestingly, elderberry also functions as a mild sedative. It helps moderate the activity of your nervous system. So, while it is treating your cough, it is also helping you relax and get the rest you desperately need to recover. However, we must be responsible. Nature is powerful, and powerful things require respect. You should avoid excessive use. Also, because it has that sedative effect, if you are taking other medications that make you sleepy, or if you drink alcohol, you need to be careful, as elderberry can potentiate those effects. It is about balance. If you are dealing with something more stubborn, like a persistent flu or even asthma, the natural medicine guides suggest that the elderberry is indicated for these conditions as well. It helps clear the mucus and congestion that make breathing difficult. It acts as an expectorant, helping to expel those pathological bronchial secretions that are clogging you up.
Now, maybe your issue isn't just a cough. Maybe you have general body aches associated with your cold, or perhaps even rheumatic pain. The elderberry has you covered there too. You can use the same infusion externally. You can wash wounds with it or use it as a compress on painful areas. It is versatile. It is a complete medicine chest in a single plant.
Think about the cost of constantly buying syrups and pills that only mask the symptoms. Here, you have a natural option that addresses the inflammation, the spasms, and the fever. It supports your body's natural healing process rather than just suppressing it. So the next time you feel that tickle in your throat, or when the cold season hits your home, do not panic. Remember the elderberry. Remember that a simple tablespoon of these flowers and leaves in hot water can be the difference between a week of misery and a quick recovery. You have the knowledge now. You know how to prepare it. You know the dosage, 1 cup 3 times a day. It is empowering to know that you can take care of yourself and your family with something so natural and effective. Try it. See how your body responds. You might find that the old ways, the natural ways, were right all along. And remember, health is not just about fixing problems. It is about giving your body the right tools to maintain its balance. Elderberry is one of the best tools you can have.